Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation. Today, we will explore a simple yet important Java program, one that helps us find and display all the vowels present in a word entered by the user. This program demonstrates the use of methods, string manipulation, and conditional logic in Java. Let's begin. In this program, the task is to accept a word from the user and pass it to a function named display, which takes a string as its parameter. Inside this function, we need to identify and display all the vowels present in the word. For example, if the user enters the word computer, the output should display the vowels O, U, and E. This exercise helps reinforce our understanding of string traversal and character-based decision-making in Java. Let's go through the step-by-step algorithm for solving this problem. Step 1. Start the program. Step 2. Use a scanner object to accept input from the user. Step 3. Prompt the user to enter a word and store it in a string variable. Step 4. Pass this word to the function named display. Step 5. Inside the display function, loop through each character of the string. Step 6. Convert each character to lowercase to handle both capital and small letters. Step 7. Check if the character is a vowel, that is, A, E, I, O, or U. Step 8. If it is a vowel, print the character. Step 9. End the program. This algorithm helps us plan the logic before writing the actual code. Now let's begin writing the Java code, starting with the method definition. We import the scanner class to accept user input. Then, we define a public class named Vowel extractor. Inside this class, we create a method called display that takes a string parameter named street. This method is responsible for checking each character of the input word and identifying the vowels. On the next slide, we'll see how the logic for this is implemented inside the method. In this part of the code, we loop through each character of the string using a for loop. For every character, we convert it to lowercase using character dot to lowercase to ensure the comparison is case insensitive. We then use an if statement to check if the character is a vowel, that is, either A, E, I, O, or U. If the condition is true, we print the vowel. This simple logic helps us extract and display all vowels from the word, one at a time. This part of the code contains the main method, where program execution begins. We create a scanner object to take input from the user and prompt them to enter a word. The entered word is stored in the word variable. We then call the display method and pass this word as an argument. Finally, we close the scanner object to release system resources. This completes the full flow of accepting input, processing it, and displaying the vowels. In this slide you will get the full program link which you can execute the entire program. Also, program link is available in the description box. Let's now look at the variable description table, or VDT, which helps us understand the purpose of each variable used in the program. The variable sc is a scanner object used to take input from the user. Word is a string that stores the word entered by the user. St is the parameter passed to the display function. I is an integer used as a loop counter to traverse each character of the string. And finally, ch is a character variable that temporarily stores each character while checking for vowels. This table makes the logic of the program easier to follow and debug. Here is a sample output of the program. When the user enters the word computer, the program responds with, the vowels are, followed by each vowel on a new line, O, U, and E. This output confirms that the program correctly identifies and displays all the vowels present in the word, regardless of their position or case. To sum up, We created a Java program that accepts a word from the user and passes it to a method called display. Inside this method, we used a loop to go through each character, checked whether it was a vowel, and printed it if it was. We applied basic concepts such as string manipulation, conditional statements, and method usage. This program is a great example of how simple logic and clean structure can solve a real-world problem efficiently. Let's quickly recap the key points of this program. First, the program uses character dot to lowercase to ensure that the vowel check is case insensitive. Second, it identifies vowels by comparing each character with the standard vowel set, A, E, I, O, and U. Third, we used a separate method named display to process and print the vowels, which helps in modular programming. And finally, the program is simple, clear, and effectively demonstrates string traversal and condition checking in Java. That brings us to the end of our session. Thank you for watching this lesson on the vowel extractor program using user-defined method in Java. We've successfully built a Java program that checks for vowel in a string using functions and logical checks. All the important components, the question, algorithm, Java program, variable table, and output, are available in the description box below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more helpful programming lessons. Until next time, happy learning.